Deffee's Yacht Mast Ladder. Just purchased that this year now, going to try it out, and it comes with plenty of documentation and instructions. So I decided to get it for this old girl. I'm not getting any younger, neither are the crew or buddies I have in the marina. We're all moving on a bit, so the days of winching somebody up in a bosun's chair, I think, has moved on. So I'm going to try this lead out and see how it works. I would still use the bosun's chair, but at least I could climb up so far and get someone to take up the slack, and that way when I'm working at an area I could get them to cleat off. So we'll see how it works out. That's it installed now on the mast. Just the right length measured for it. Stout fitting on top with the halyard. I'm just testing it out now and just seeing that it's the right length and how to properly fix the bottom. And I'll use another halyard for the bosun's chair. It's rated on the steps for a safe working load of 20 stones, 127 kgs. Read instructions before use, but everything seems to be well riveted in. And there's 3 fixing points, and we have the slides going up. These are the D slides. Now they also added so far down, I think they're C2 slides, so that I can use it also on the going up the mizzen mast. Okay, I could bring it up higher if I want. I could hoist it higher. So that's her. The Deffee Mast Ladder, 30 feet.